Okay, here is my Lab 1. This is my project. So making this in the terminal would be a very easy thing for me. So I actually added a little UI using Tkinter. I've used Tkinter before. If you run it, say guessing range of just 1, so that'll be easy. You can see the little UI pop up, and you can check it. Too high, too low, and 1. That is just right. Then if you play another round and you do 10, enter, boom. Say maybe it's 3, too low. Maybe it's a 5, too low. It's a 9, too high. Okay, maybe it's an 8, too high. Oh, maybe it's a 7, nope, too high. Maybe it's a 5, too low. Oh my goodness, it's a 6. That was a whole lot of guesses. There we go. That's the game. Yeah, hope you liked it. Thank you so much.